In the box, Epic Air ANC comes with earbuds, charging case, 5 sets of gel cushion tips, and 1 set of cloud foam tips. First time setup. Take the earbuds out of the case and remove the stickers. Press and hold both power buttons for 3 seconds to turn them on. A blinking blue and white light on one earbud and a solid white light on the other will indicate that they are ready to pair to your device. Enter Bluetooth settings on your device and select Epic Air ANC. A voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected, followed by solid white lights on both earbuds will indicate that you are connected. When you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will auto power on and connect to your device. The left or the right earbud can be used independently. Simply choose one earbud and take it out from the case to connect. Try all of the ear tips to find your best fit and comfort. Choosing the correct ear tip will significantly improve audio quality. Touch controls. On the left touch sensor, tap once for volume down, double tap for your digital assistant, press and hold 1 second to cycle through Be Aware mode, ANC on and ANC off. Triple tap to change the EQ setting between signature, balanced, bass boost, or your customized EQ setting in the app. On the right earbud touch sensor, tap once for volume up, double tap to play and pause, press and hold 1 second to track forward, triple tap to change the EQ, single tap to answer an incoming call, double tap to hang up, press and hold 2 seconds to reject incoming calls. To cycle through music mode and movie mode, press and hold both touch sensors simultaneously for 3 seconds. The Epic Air ANC come with a wear detect sensor, so when you remove the earbud, they will automatically pause, and when you put them back, they will autoplay. You will be able to customize all of these controls with the new JLab Air ANC app. To power the earbuds off, you can press and hold both touch sensors for 12 seconds, or simply turn Bluetooth off from your device and the earbuds will power off automatically after 3 minutes. Troubleshooting. No audio in one of the earbuds or the earbuds have been disconnected from each other. Enter your Bluetooth settings and forget the Epic Air ANC. Open the charging case and leave the earbuds inside. On one earbud, quickly tap the touch sensor 7 times. The light will blink blue 4 times and then turn solid blue. Leave the earbuds in the case still. Repeat with the other earbud, quickly tapping the touch sensor 7 times. The light will blink blue 4 times and turn solid blue. Wait until the blue light comes back on. Take both earbuds out of the charging case and keep them within 2 inches from each other. Wait for one of them to turn solid white and the other to blink blue and white, and select Epic Air ANC to reconnect. To add a new or additional Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth from any previously connected device, turn on Bluetooth from the new device, take the earbuds out of the case and they will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing. Select Epic Air ANC on the new device to connect. Bluetooth device does not connect or reconnect. Enter Bluetooth settings on your device and forget the Epic Air ANC. Turn Bluetooth off and then on. Take the earbuds out of the case and wait for one of them to turn solid white and the other to blink blue and white. Then select Epic Air ANC to reconnect. Download the JLab Air ANC app in the Apple App Store or Google Play to take full control of your earbuds. Just make sure your earbuds are connected to your phone's Bluetooth. Then, with our new app, you will be able to update your earbuds as new software becomes available. You can also turn on or off the wear detect sensors, customize the touch controls, adjust the equalizer settings to your liking, and control the amount of noise cancelling in BeAware audio. Just hit set after you make your adjustments. Charging. Placing the earbuds in the charging case will power them off and start charging. Blue lights indicate that the earbuds are charging and will turn off when fully charged. To charge the case, use the integrated cable and connect it to a computer or a USB 5V 1A adapter. It is crucial that you use a maximum 5V 1A adapter. The Epic Air ANC also have wireless charging capabilities. Simply place the charging case on a wireless charger. LEDs on the case pulse white when charging and turn solid white when fully charged. Make sure you fully dry off the earbuds before placing them in the charging case. Head to jlabaudio.com/register to register your product and receive a free gift, as well as product updates and other how-tos and tips. And follow us on our social medias at JLab Audio for chances to win free products.